Good evening, everyone. I'm here again to entertain you for a while. Today is a great day of my life, and it's my mother's birthday, a mother in heaven, and it's her birthday today. So I just like to wish her a very happy birthday on earth, and now she's in heaven. So I like to say a birthday wish for her. A world's sweetest mom she was, and I'm so great and proud of her to have her as my mother. Thank you always believing in me. Thank you for all the support that you have given me from the childhood till now. Thank you for being such a kind and loving mother. I know you're still with me, although you're in heaven. I trust you. You left good memories and a lot of blessing on all your children. You was a very hardworking woman, a very kind to others. And I know you are with angels in heaven, sitting next to Jesus Christ and praying for us. May your soul rest in peace and find you the best place in heaven. That's prayer I dedicate to my mother, because today is her birthday. Happy birthday, mother. We miss you on earth and miss you forever in our hearts. You left a good memory, unforgettable memory for all your children. And that lingering on, we remember that we used to linger in our arms. You was always a good mother for good and bad. You was there since our dad passed away, leaving the 9 children. And he was a very hard-working woman, raised 9 kids without any support from the family. Thank you, Mom. May your soul rest in peace. Thank you for bringing us this road. सदांकाळ तू आमच्या काळजांत आसतली, तुवें जायते त्रास काडल्यात आमकां वाडोवपाक, आनी तुकाच लागून आयज हांव उबो आसा आनी हे कांतार तुका भिडयता म्हजे मान. तूं जावन आसली म्हजी माय आनी पाय, कित्याक म्हाका पायचो मोग मेळोंक ना, कित्याक ल्हान आसतना तो ह्या संवसारांतलो गेलो. आनी सदांकाळ तुजो उगडास माय आमच्या काळजांत आसतलो. देवान तुका लांब जिवीत दिलें संवसारांत, 84 years. And तुवें आपल्या grandchildren, great grandchildren पासून पळयलें. तूं जावन आसली एक आकोंड खांबो आमच्या बरोबर. देवान तुका स्वर्गाचें राज फावो करूं. So here we go. I'm saying mother of mine. Today is a special day to dedicate this song to my mother. Mother of mine, you gave to me all of my life. I do as I please. I owe everything I have to you, Mother, sweet mother of mine. Mother of mine, when I was young, you showed me right way. Things had to be done. Without your love, where would I be? Mother, sweet mother of mine. Mother, you gave me happiness, much more than words can say. I pray the Lord that He may bless you every night and every day. Mother great all on my own. I like to give you what you gave to me, mother, sweet mother of mine. Mother, you gave us happiness, much than words can say. Yeah. I pray the Lord that He may bless you every night and every day. Mother of mine, now I am grown and I can walk straight all on my own. I like to give you what you gave to me, mother, sweet mother of mine. Mother, sweet mother of mine. Yeah, that was mother, like all other mothers, a sweet mother, which I missed on this earth. And she left good memories. एक बड़ा उघडा आमच्या जिवितांत सगळ्यांक दवरला. एक अखंड खांबो आसलो आमचो सगळ्यांचो. जेन्ना आमी आमचो पाय ह्या संवसाराक घातलो तेन्ना तेणो सगळो संवसार आपल्या हातीन धरून आमकां 9 जाण भुरग्यांक वाडयली आनी सोडयली आपल्या मोगान आनी बरें शिकप दिलें. ताकाच लागून हांव हांगासर उबो आसा. उगडास करून म्हज्या मायेच्या जल्माचो आयज जावन आसा ताच्या जल्माचो दीस. आनी हांव जाणा देवान तिका स्वर्गाचें राज फावो करतलो. कित्याक 9 जाण भुरगीं आसलीं. हांव आसलो 4 वर्सांचो आनी ती जावन आसली म्हजी माय आनी बाय. So she left us unforgettable memories. And God had given her long life on this earth. She's seen her grandchildren. She was there with the great-grandchildren. Amazing woman, like all other mothers. Mothers are the best in the world. And you know, I don't have to tell you, you all have mothers, and you know how they're struggling. And mostly, to raise 9 children, oh my God, that's outstanding. Yeah, I was very lucky to have her in my life. Very sweet mother, and I missed her. May her soul rest in peace. The next one, I like to dedicate this song to her again. You Raise Me Up. Thank you, Sabi, Leo, Sabrina, for watching. God bless you. This is my mother's birthday in heaven, so I can't forget her. So I like to dedicate a few songs for her tonight. She was a brave mother, like all other mothers. And she took a stand after the husband passed away. So may her soul rest in peace. Ani magagula sa may melo mundos ti marana punuit rawan ang tatsuita. Lisadang kalam karakta. So here we go. When I'm dead, I know my soul is weary. When trouble comes and my heart burdens, then I'm still and wait here in the silence until you come and see the world with me. You raise me up, oh I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise us up to more than we can be. Yeah, she was a lovely mother, and today is her birthday. A strong, brave mother like all of the mothers in the world. And I miss her because she left her unforgettable memories. She raised me up when I was 4 years old, when I lost my dad. And she's still in my heart, in my mind, in my body. She's my guardian angel, although she's not here with me tonight. But I won't forget her all my life. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be. Yes, she's a strong mother. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up on stormy oceans. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I could be. Yes, Mom, you are the one, a hard-working woman. You raise me up, and here I am to sing. Yes, Mom, because of you I'm singing here. Like all of the mom in the world, सगळे माय गोड असतात. काळजान आणि मनान तुम्ही जाणा तुमची माय कितलो कारभार आपल्या मनान दवरून आख्खोच घराबो चलयता. आणि जेन्ना गोताचे संस्कार ना तेन्ना कितली आगोड तिका दिसता आसतली जिवीत. आणि हेच भाशेन ही आसली म्हजी माय. सगळे आमच्या वाड्यार आनी गांवांत एक बरें नांव जोडलां. सदांच मोगाड मोवाड उतराची देवा समाज आमकां जेजूची भिरांत दाखयल्या. ताकाच लागून हो जेजूचो भावार्थ देण आमच्या काळजान घातला. आनी तुमी सगळे माय जो म्हाका पळयता त्या वेळार तुमी तुमच्या भुरग्यांक देवाचो मोग घालूंक जावो. आनी जेजू तांची सदांकाळ राखण करतलो. अदीक करून ह्या वेळार आमकां जेजूची सायबीण मागची चड गरज. कित्याक आमच्या काळजांनी भिरांत आसा. आमच्या काळीज अस्कोत. आणि जेन्ना जेजू क्रिस्त आमच्या काळजांत येता सायबीण माय आमच्या आदाराक पावता तेन्ना आमकां कसलीच भिरांत जायना. So make yourself brave and strong and wise, because you are the mother. You are the main base of the house. I remember my mom. She left some unforgettable memories, raising 9 children. Oh my gosh. I can't forget those days. How she been struggling. And we all support her. And I want today children, please, need to support your parents, and that's why it's very important. You're so lucky wherever you are. कित्याक आमी माय पाय आमच्या भुरग्यांक जायते सोंपेपण केलेले आसा ह्या संवसारांत. आमच्या दिसांनी आमी जायते त्रास काडल्या, तुमी काडल्या. पण आतांची भुरगीं very lucky. But try to involve them Don't spoil them with your love. Because they have to stand by themselves one day and they will blame you. They will blame the parents for not teaching them. एक त्रास उघडासा असतो मला. एक स्टोरी असली आणि तिचो तू चोर जालो आणि त्या वेळार ताका हुंय फाशी दिवपाची असली आणि ताणे सांगले तुका निमाणी विश कितें आसा ताणे सांगले आपले माय कापले आणि जेन्ना आपले माय किस दिवपाक गेलो तेन्ना सांगले जेन्ना हांव धाकट्यो धाकट्यो चोरयो करतालो पण तुवें म्हाका केन्नाच करेक्ट करूं आणि ताकाच लागून ही आतां आपणे व्हडली चोरी केली आनी आपूण फाशीर चडलो. सो ही भिरांत आमच्या काळजांत धरून आमच्या भुरग्यांक जाता ते भाशेन देवासांव दाखोवन ताका बरो रस्तो विचून काडया हेच म्हजें मायेन आनी ताकाच लागून आयज हांव उगडास करूंक एक गर्व भोगता कित्याक ती जावन आसली एक स्ट्रॉंग वुमन अ ब्रेव वुमन who raised 9 children without any support of the family. Whole town and village, they know her. Hardworking. I can't describe her. She's a perfect woman, very kind, loving. लहान उतराची असली जशी तुमचे माया असली तशी आणि ते भाशेन संसार करीत जाल्यार देव तुमचे सदांच सांगाताक आसतलो. So let me see the next one is Wind Beneath My Wings. So that was a good song dedicated to my mother as well. Hope Lavina, Gracie, Catherine, hope you all good. God bless you all. May God bless you. Be strong mothers. And Julie, thank you for watching. Sprinkle berries in the shade to never have sunlight on your face. You were the content to let me shine, that's the way. You always walked a step behind me, so I was the one with all the glory, while you were one of them, all the strength. Yes, mother, you are the strength for us. A beautiful face without a name for so long, a beautiful smile that hides the pain. Did you ever know that you are my queen? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than the eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. तुझा नसलं माझं तीर नादा मग वयर चढपाक वय मान. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I got it all here in my heart. I wanted to know the truth. Of course I know I would be nothing without you. Did you know ever that you are my queen? You are everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher than the eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings. Did I ever tell you you are my queen of my life? You are everything, everything I wish I could be. I can fly higher than the eagle. होय माय जावन आसा एक बरो सांगात, एक आधार तुज्या फाटल्यान. जेन्ना तूं वयर चडटा पळय तेन्ना ती तुका आधार दिता. वच म्हजो पुता, म्हजे बेसांव आनी म्हजो सांगात तुजे सांगाताक आसतलो. आनी मायचे बेसांव घेतले बगर आमी केन्नाच घरांतले भायर सरनासले. आनी ही संवय आमी आयज पासून करूंक जाय आमच्या भुरग्यांक. बेसांव दिले बगर तांकां धाडूंक उपकारना, कित्याक आमी तांकां संवसारांत हाडले आमच्या भुरग्यांक. आनी तांच्या गोंट्यान ती खुरीस घालपाची संवय करूंक जाय. जशी म्हजे माय म्हाका संवय केली आनी आयज पासून हांव म्हजो खुरीस आसा म्हज्या गोंट्यान. हांव ताका सोडिना, कित्याक खुरीस जावन आसा एक बरी देवाची निशाणी. देंवचार पासून भियोन धांवता. सो ताकाच लागून खुरीस घाल. व्हायरस कसलेय दुयेंस येवं केन्नाच तुका लागना. तूं आनी तुजी फामील सदांच काल मजबूत आसतली. आनी ही गॅरंटी तुका हांव दिता, कित्याक हांव म्हाका जाय ते जेजू क्रिस्तान दिला आनी सायबीण दिली म्हज्या जिवितांत. आनी सगळे सांगून भक्तांचे मागणी आर्ग जेजू कार्ता सायबीण, जशें म्हाका तुवें दिलां तशें सोमेस्तांक दी धर. हे मागणी हांव सगळ्यांक भेटयता. And the next one I got is this is like everything I own because of my mom, but I can't have her because she left. She's in heaven now. Thank you, Liliana, for watching podcast. Here we go. Even if you give everything, you can't have her. You draw me, oh, kept me home. You kept me home. You gave my life to me. Oh, set me free. Yes, you set me free. Oh, for the years I ever knew, those finest one I spent with you, I would give everything I hold, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I hold just to have it back again. Yes, I want to have my mother back, but I can't. You taught me how to cry and how to fight. Just don't know why. You told me lies to me. You set me free. You set me free. Yes, Mom. Of all those years I ever knew, those finest one I spent with you, I will give everything I hold. I give my life, my heart, my home. I will give everything I own just to have you back again. But I know you can't. Just to hold you, Mom, once again. If there's someone you know that won't let you go and taking it all for granted, hey, they lose one day, someone take them away, and you don't know, hear what they say. I won't give everything I hold, give up my life, my heart, my home. I won't give everything I own just to have it all back again, just to hold it in my arms once again. Yes, Mom, I wish to, but I can't, because you're the best mother in the world. You give everything I hold, give up my life, my heart, my whole. I will give everything I own, oh, just to have it all back again, just to hold it. once again. Oh, once again, Mama, you're the sweetest on this earth. You're the best one. Yes, हजार आणि स्वप्ने तुझे जीवित आणि तुझे लागे आशा तितले दिल्यापासून एक पाव तुझी माय ओ पाय ओ कोणी तुमचं गोरचो मेलो म्हणतोस ताका परतून आडून एकदम कोटी देखून उपकार करो प्लीज. जीवे असताना तांका फुलां दिया, जीवे असताना तांका गाडयेन भोंवया, जीवे असताना तांका मोग दिया. कित्याक एक पावडो संसार सोडून गेली म्हणटूच सगळी आमची ग्रेस्काय सगळी आमचे थंय आसा ते पासून दिल्यार मेलेल्या मनशाक परत जिवत करूंक जाय. ताकाच लागून आमी जिवी आसतना एकामेकाक ओळखूंक जाय, मोग दिवंक जाय, सोजमोंक जाय. आनी हे भाशेन केल्यार आमचो संसार कितलो बरो जाता. हांव जाणा थोड्यो घोराब्यांनी कितें घडलां, दुनिया जेजू बघून सांगता कित्याक आमी नोकरो कितें करता. जायत्यो अडचणी आसतात घरांत. मनीस जाणटो जालो म्हणटोच रिस्पेद ताका उणो आसता घरांत. आनी जेन्ना तो मेलो म्हणटोच ताचो आमकां वालो कळटा. So please call your mom, call your dad every day. It's very important. It doesn't matter where you are. Keep in contact with them. They are after God to you. They are the one who raised you. And now I can't have my mom. Even if I give my life, I give everything. But I can't have her. She was the best mother on earth. And she spent 84 years, which is great. Great mother. She has seen great grandchildren as well. And grandchildren. Hardworking, religious, kind, polite. She shared love with everybody. She taught us how to worship God religiously. And I think we have to connect our children to God as well. So love your parents when they are there. When they are gone, the chair will be empty. जे ऑल्तेर आयज जळटा पळय ते उणी जाता. देखून मनान आनी काळजान ताजो मोग करा. कित्याक we don't know about tomorrow, what tomorrow can get us. So next one we got is we don't know what tomorrow can bring us. One second, let me see, where is it? Yes, here we go. So get prepared to love each other, whether it's a husband, wife, children, parents, grandparents, parents. मोग करात एकामेकाचो. कित्याक आमी फाल्यांचो दीस नोकळो अदीक करून हे परिस्थिती आमचेर येयल्या आसतना आमी देवाचेर पातयेवन आमचो संसार करूंक जाय. So here we go. If tomorrow may never come. This is the cover songs from Ron and Katie. Sometime late at night, all I wait, watch you sleep. She lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light, lay there in the dark, and the thoughts cross his mind. If I never wake up in the morning, will she ever doubt the way I feel about you in her heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? If my time on earth was she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be be an afterlife. Tomorrow never comes. 'Cause I lost once in a life, who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live with the regrets that my true feeling for them never very real. So I made promise to myself to say each day how much you mean to me, and avoid that circumstances where there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, wish you know how much I love her. Did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? If my time on earth were through, she must face this world without me. Is the love I give her in the best gonna be enough for us? Tomorrow never comes. So tell the someone that you're in love is what you're thinking of. Tomorrow never comes. Yeah, that was a wonderful song dedicated to all the lovers, and keep loving each other, because love is beautiful, sweet and wonderful to keep you going. Thank you, Cindy. Thank you, Jenny. You are there. Okay, my colleague. God bless you. I'll take care. Yes. The next one we got Only You. Yes, that was good. Today is the day of my mom's birthday, and she was in heaven, so I just remember her, how sweet mother she was, like all other mothers in the world. Mothers is very kind and generous. They are the foundation of the family. They got a lot of responsibilities, so that's what they are. So I cannot forget that they left some unforgettable memories. Only you can make all the world seem right. Only you can make the darkness bright. Yes, you're the one. You make this change in me, yes, Lord. For it is true, you are my destiny. When you hold my hand, I understand the that you do, my dream come true, my one and only you. Only you can make this change in me. For it is true, you are my destiny. When you hold my hand, I understand that was one and only you. Hello, Shah. Hope you're well and your family. Passing my time. Today is the day of the birthday for my mom in heaven. She was a very strong mother, like all the mothers on earth, who really fought in life to raise the kids. Beautiful mothers, a good gift for the mother. She got a lot of responsibility in life, and we have to appreciate everything what they done for us. Well, the next one we got is dedications. Unbreak My Heart. So here we go. Hope you well. Hope you all celebrated Christmas at home with a lot of joy and happiness and blessing of Almighty. Don't let me out in the rain. Come back and bring back my smile. Come and take these tears away. I need your arms to hold me down. The nights are so unkind. Bring back those nights when I held you beside me. Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Under this heart, take us right. You walk out of me, walk out of my life. I'm crying still. I cried so many nights. Don't break my heart. My heart. Take back that sad words to feel. Bring back the joy to my life. Don't let me here with these tears. Come and kiss and fade away. I can't forget the day you left. Time is so unkind. Life is so cruel without you here beside me. Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Under this curtain, just running home, walk out of your darling life. That was unchanged, my heart. So never break your heart with a loved one. Oh, the next one, the time is running out and I have to write up before 6 because I have to go back to work. The store is still open because pharmacy is open. It was sad. But yes, I am in the closing tonight. So, well, I just got a break and I come out to say a few songs because it's a special day of my mother who is in heaven. Let me see how can I do the prayer for the mother. Well, ladies and gentlemen, hope you all had a beautiful Christmas. I pray you hold my eyes and watch her where she goes and help her to be wise. Help me to let go every mother's prayer. Every child knows. Lead her to a place, guide her with your grace, to a place where she will be safe. I pray she find your heart and hold it in her heart. As darkness falls each night, remind her where you are. Every mother's prayer, every child knows. Need to find a place, guide her to a peace, give her a faith, she'll be safe. Lead her to the place, guide her with your grace, to the place where she'll be safe. Yes, Lord, guide her and keep her in your arms. She's the best mother on earth, hardworking, polite, and kind, who raised the 9 children. Oh my gosh, when I was 4, and she looked after the 9 children. She was my mom and dad as well, so I really appreciate this mother. She's the woman, a brave, strong woman, hardworking woman. Like all other women, all other mothers. You know you all have mothers and how hard they are working. How affectionate and kind they are. They are after you. Every time when you come late at home, she always calls you. Hey, where are you? Come on home. She waits for you to eat together. That's the love they're sharing, you know. So woman had been created with a lot of gift in herself. Isn't it? I don't have to tell you because you all have mothers. You have come through it. So love her when she's alive. When she's gone, she's forever. You can't have her back. Call her. Be with her. Because mother is the greatest gift of all. Even if the dad gone away, she will hold you in her arms. She will raise you up with all the love and affection. Because she's a woman, a kind heart. She will never leave you. or any kind of trouble, she'll stand in front of you. She's like a strong wall to protect you from the danger. And she's the mother. All the mothers, they have that corner of the heart for their children. And that was my mother, who left us in heaven, and I can't have her anymore. So love your mothers, love your parents, love everyone when you're alive, when they're alive. Don't just run for the funeral with a big bouquet of flowers and good cars and everything. Because when they was alive, nobody offered them a bouquet of flowers, which they were waiting for. Nobody could take them in the car to the doctors when they're sick. But we all run for the funeral, just to show the other people that we are loving. No, you're cheating. So love your parents, love the loved ones who are next to you, because we never know about tomorrow. Because the chairs will be empty and you can't get them back. That's what I sang earlier. A mother of mine, you raised me up. Those are really heart-touching songs. Wind beneath my wings. And let me see Tears in Heaven now for you all. It's from Eric Clapton. This is only the entertainment part, a cover song. I will be going off soon because I have to go to work again. I'm in the closing of the store. Today's holiday, but I have to be there. Thank you, Natasha. Thank you, Daisy. Thank you, everyone watching. God bless you. Thank you, Vinci. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Thank you for all your wishes and the comments. God bless you. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me to stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Thank you, Xavier. Hope your family is good. Hope you all enjoyed the Christmas as today. Today is my mom's birthday. I can bring you down, tuck and bend your knees. I can break your heart, time begging please, begging please. That's how loving mothers are. May them be strong, brave. They are the strong mothers. We need them. Everyone on earth. They play the important role in our life to look after our children. So mothers is the greatest gift of all. Beyond the tomb, your peace I'm sure. And I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Would you know would you be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on. 'Cause I know I don't belong. You're in heaven. Okay, that's all for tonight. देव बरी रात देव तुमका सगळ्यांक आणि तुमचे माय पायचो मोग करात जेन्ना ती संवसारांत आसा तेन्ना एक फावट गेली म्हणटच आमी तांकां कितले दूर गेले तर ती आमकां परतून मेळची ना. So love your parents with all their heart, mind and body. Call them out every day. Spend few time with them. They are the great people on earth, experienced people. God bless you. Good night. Dev bari raat dev ani tumka sadanka surakshit doro from the virus. Yes, pray. Prayer is the strongest instrument. Okay. God bless you. Good night. Stay safe, virus free. Be healthy, and I see you soon sometime. Thank you. God bless. Bye.